물건이 가장 많은 부동산 청용공인중개사 TV입니다. 물건에 대한 궁금한 사항 있으시면 언제든 연락주세요. 3일 초등학교 도보 3분, 성포 중학교 도보 3분, 버스 정류장 도보 1분, 성포역 예정지 도보 9분, 수인산 앞도로가 인접해 있어서 생활 편의가 좋습니다.
The morning light spills on the quiet floor. A single tear rolls down her window pane. We don't need to chase the fading sun. Just let the silence speak its tune. And in this hush we find our way. No words are needed, just the sound of day. I tried to write a line, but all that came was pain. So I sing, oh, it's alright, baby. Take my hand, it's alright. Sun is out, it's alright. Kiss your cheek, it's alright. Dreaming loud, it's alright. Dreaming loud, it's alright. Remember nights when shadows danced alone.